We're in the commune of Calle Larga in Los Andes province. In addition to high solar irradiance, this area of central Chile's Valparaiso region has favorable topography and good access, making it an optimal location for a solar photovoltaic installation that can extend the supply of clean electricity to residential use. In June 2021, Sonnedix announced the beginning of construction of 160-megawatt solar photovoltaic plant, Sonnedix Meseta de los Andes. The plant is being built within a 250-hectare land and will be connected to the substation of Los Maquis through a 15-kilometer-long, 220-kilovolt transmission line. Once built, Sonnedix Meseta de los Andes is expected to produce 386,750 megawatts during its first year of operation. This is equivalent to powering more than 180,000 Chilean homes and avoiding around 160,000 tons of CO2. This is Sonnedix's second-largest plant to date, after the inauguration of 170-megawatt Sonnedix Atacama Solar in April 2021.
La construcción del proyecto Sonnedix Meseta de los Andes demuestra nuestro compromiso a largo plazo con el mercado eléctrico chileno, donde continuamos desempeñando un papel importante ayudando al país a alcanzar sus metas de energía renovable.
Above all, it will allow us to continue harnessing the power of the sun to build a bright future.